So this one is the orthomosaic data. This one is the orthomosaic data, and this one is the LIDAR data. A normal LIDAR data. And we have to generate the colorless file in this folder. Currently this folder is blank, so we will process in GitLab PT. Here is our orthomosaic data, and we have to load the last file, that is the LIDAR data. That is our LIDAR data, and we have to set the path where the colorless file will be generated, and here it will be saved in the colorless file. Now I click on the run switch and the process will start. So the process is completed. Now we will check whether the colorless file is generated or not. Here is a colorless file generated, and we will check it in Cloud Compare. Here is a colorless file.